students. Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on students, let us move to the chapter. Subject is maths of standard 3rd and the name of the topic is measurement. Here we are going to study about the weight or mass. In the first part, we have studied about the length, isn't it? Now today we are going to study about the weight or mass. Okay? Here, which one is heavier? See the pictures. You can see here a pumpkin and an apple, isn't it? Here, tell me, only one pumpkin is there and one apple is there. See their size. Okay, you know the weight of these fruits, isn't it? Now tell me, which one is heavier? Yes, you are right. Pumpkin is heavier than apple. Correct? Okay. Whose bag is heavier? See here, you can see a boy with a bag and a girl with a bag. Observe the pictures. Come on, tell me, whose bag is heavier? Is that boys or of girls? Yes, you are right. The boy's bag is heavier, isn't it? Now again tell me, here two pictures you can see, a bicycle and a car. Which one is heavier here? Bicycle is heavier or car is heavier? Yes, you are right. Car is heavier than bicycle. Correct? Students, you can see here two children, a girl and a boy. They are standing on the balance scale which we use to measure our weight, isn't it? Here the pointer is showing 25 about the girl's weight. See here, and here 22 you can see here for the boy's weight. Who is weighing more? Yes, you are right. The girl is weighing more than that boy, isn't it? Measuring weight. Here Nandu is standing with the balance scale and he has a ball and he is weighing the ball against his marbles. The weight of this ball is 10 marbles, he said. Correct? Now Sonu is there. She also weighed that ball and she said the weight of this ball is 16 marbles. See, now this boy has a question. How is that possible? How can the same ball have different weights? Then Tony said, the marbles that Sonu brought are smaller than the marbles that Nandu brought. Got this, students? So, that's the reason for this confusion. Here, Nandu's marbles are bigger in size compared to Sonu's marbles. Yes, dear students, that's the reason why shop keeps weights which are the standard units for measuring weight. So we don't use, and the shopkeepers also, they don't use any marbles or simple stones to measure the weights. Government has decided some standard weights to weigh the substances. Got this, students? We will study about that now. Standard weights or weighing stones, we say. The standard unit of measuring weight is kilogram. You know this, right? Your mother, when she buys her groceries or vegetables or fruits, she asks the shopkeeper to give 2 kg wheat, 1 kg sugar, half kg tea powder or 5 kg potato, 1 kg onion, right? Like that she tells kg, correct? That is nothing but kilogram. Okay, short form is kg, and that is the standard unit of measuring weight or mass. And remember this, students, that is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Grams is smaller than kilogram. Okay, now you know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. We have studied this in coins and currency notes, isn't it? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Like that only 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This also we have studied in the last lecture while studying about the length. Right? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Like that only 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. And we write 1 kilogram like 1 kg. Remember this, 1 kg means 1 kilogram. And 1000 gram we write like this, 1000 g. G means grams. Okay. Now we will see these different standard weights. See, this is of 100 gram. Okay. And this is of 200 gram. It is written over the stone. This is 500 gram. There is no 300 and 400 gram stone. Okay. Directly then 500 gram. Then it is 1 kg. Kg means 1 kilogram. Then comes 2 kilogram. Then 5 kilogram. Okay. Then 10 kg or kilogram. After that we get 20 kg. Got there, students? And here we can see this is 100 gram. Correct? Here we get 50 gram also, 5 gram also, 1 gram also, like that stones also we get. Okay? These are the standard weights. Got this? Shopkeepers, grocery shops and vegetable seller, fruit seller, they use these standard weights to weigh the things. Yes, students, this is a common balance scale. You know this, you have seen this in the shops, correct? Now, here both the sides it has pans. They are called as scale pans or pan. Okay, on both the side. And here this is called as a beam. This horizontal structure is called as beam, and two pans are attached to the beams. Okay, and up you can see a black pointer. You can see that is a pointer. It tells us that the measures on both the pans are equal or not. Got this? Yes, students, watch this balance scale properly. Can you remember anything? Yes? Yes, you are right. Yes, this is a seesaw. You play with this in the garden, isn't it? Yes, the working of this seesaw and the working of the balance scale is same. The heavier side goes down and the lighter side goes up. Okay? Measuring weight by common balance. We will use a common balance to weigh the tomatoes. Okay. See this. This is a common balance. And in one pan we can see so many tomatoes, and in the other pan there is a 1 kg stone. See this. Are tomatoes weighing 1 kg? Please observe the pointer. See this here. Pointer is bending towards the tomatoes. Means tomatoes are heavier than the weight, isn't it? And observe the level of the pans. See, it is inclined. Line is inclined, means tomatoes carrying pan is down compared to the weight carrying pan. Here we can say that tomatoes are more or heavier than 1 kg, isn't it? Okay, we will change the weight stone. Now we have used now 2 kg stone. Now observe the level of the pans. Yes, they are in same level. Means tomatoes weight is equal to the 2 kg, isn't it? So we can say that the weight of tomatoes is equal to 2 kgs. Got this, students? You have to observe the shopkeeper's work when he is weighing your things. One picture you can see here, and question is there. Which standard weights are used here to measure 1.5 kg of brinjals? In one pan there are brinjals, and in the another pan there are weights. Correct? And the pointer is exactly in between. Means both the pans are in equal level. Means we need here 1 kg stone, correct? 1.5 kg. So 1 kg stone plus half kg stone. Half kg means 500 gram, isn't it? Half of 1000 is 500. So we can say here 1 kg plus half kg becomes 1.5 kg, isn't it? Got this, students? Okay. Here also you can see a shop, correct? And he is having a different type of balance. See, this is a balance, correct? And this is called as pan balance. In this pan balance also we can see two sides. Here this is one side and this is second side. Here we use to keep the stones or weights, and in this we put things. If you want to measure the rice, wheat, sugar, etc., we use this steel vessel, that is a pan, and we measure the weight. And same weights we are using like this: 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg. Got this, students? Okay. Now this is a fruit seller. Okay, and boy came here to purchase the fruits. Uncle, give me 1 kg grapes. Yes, he said he wanted 1 kg grapes from this uncle. Now uncle is having this pan scale, isn't it? Now the scale is exactly right here, because this pointer is straight. It is not bending towards any pan, isn't it? This is a proper scale. Now he will put now grapes. Now see the pointer. The pointer is bending towards the grapes, isn't it? Means what is the meaning? Grapes are more here compared to the weight, or weight is less than grapes. So what he will do? The boy said that he need 1 kg grapes. So he will remove some grapes from this. Correct? Now see, the grapes and the weight are same. Means both the pans have same weight. See this pointer? Correct? This is exactly, this is straight one. It is not bending towards any pan. Means these grapes are weighing 1 kg. Got this, students? Like this you have to observe while the shopkeeper or the seller weighs the things. Now here in the market, a fruit seller and vegetable seller is selling a fresh food. See the balance here. This is another type of a balance. Can you see here? See. When we here no two pans are there. This we can say that digital or electronic. See here. When we put the things on this pan, only one pan, we can see the readings down. I will show you. See this. Here we have put so many fruits, correct? And the weight is 1 kg 200 grams. This pointer is showing that 1 kg 200 grams. Got this, students? Let us know about various kinds of balances. Students, we use different kinds of balances to weigh different materials. Okay, we will see here. This is a spring balance. Inside this spring is there, so it is called as spring balance. And whenever we want to weigh the thing, we hang the things at the hook. See there, see in the picture. And at that time, the pointer or the level telling line tells us about the weight. I think you have seen this in the market. Remember, the name is spring balance. Okay? See this. It is called as electronic balance. It is mostly used in the laboratory or in the goldsmith shop because it has a glass and it is used to weigh very small quantity like milligrams or less than grams or 5 grams, 10 grams like this. Okay, less quantity. This is also called as electronic balance. This also tells us the accurate weight of the material. See here, golden bangles, they are weighing, they are of 30.40 grams. Got this? These are called electronic balance or digital balance. So that they give us the accurate weight of the material or the substance. Balance scale for body weight. See this. All schools have this one, isn't it? This is a digital balance scale. When we stand on this, it shows the weight, correct? And our PT teacher, she takes the use of this while she wants to get the weight of the students. What we do? We stand on this balance scale and we note the readings. That is nothing but the weight of that student in kgs. Correct? The common balance scale to measure weight. See, these are common balance scales. We studied about these, correct? electronic balances used to measure weights. See, here this is a digital or electronic balance used to measure the weight of the baby. This is also an electronic balance to measure the weights above 100 kg or nearly 100 kgs. This is also electronic balance used to measure the weight of animals. And see this, here we are weighing the weight of the loads carried by this vehicle. Mostly this is used in the factories. Got this ones? Means we are using so many kinds of weights or balance scales to measure the weight. Here we can see a kitchen. Mother and daughter, they are standing in the kitchen, and we can see a sugar packet beside the mother, isn't it? And mother is thinking something. So daughter is asking, "What happened, mom? What are you thinking about?" Mother said, "Dear, I need half kg sugar to make some laddus, and I have 1 kg sugar pack." Daughter asked, "How to get half kg from 1 kg pack, mom?" Mother said, "I am also thinking about the same. What to do now?" Daughter got an idea. "Yes, I have an idea, mom." "Come on, tell me, dear," mother said. "We have half kg potatoes, right? We will use them to weight half kg sugar." "Wow, excellent idea," mother said. "You helped me a lot, dear." Then they brought the scale, and what the daughter did? She put the sugar inside that pan, and she used half kg potatoes on the other pan. She knows the weight of the potato, that is half kg, and she measured the half kg sugar by using this half kg potatoes. Mother became very happy. She said, "Thanks, dear. I am very happy that you have solved my problem. So, 2 more laddus to you as a reward." Nice, na? Like that you have to help your mother. She will become happy and she will give you a reward. Isn't it? Okay. Make a guess about the weight of the given things. Here some things are given. We have to guess the weight of these things. Okay. Wheat. See the amount. See the size of the packet. Okay. This is a biscuit pack. Sugar in the bowl. A gold coin. A wooden plank. Matchbox. A balloon. Yes, we can see here 7 things. Yes, dear students, we have to guess about the weight of these things. See, this is wheat. Maybe it is 10 kg, isn't it? The size and the packet tells us that it is of 10 kg. This is a biscuit pack. It is nearly 500 gram. Right? And sugar in the bowl, the weight may be of 2 kg, isn't it? And a gold coin. This is very small and very expensive, so it is a 5 gram. Got this? And this wood plank, this is about 8 kg. And what about the matchstick? Nearly 50 gram. Right? And the next one, balloon. Balloon weighs 20 gram. It is so big in size. Then also it weighs 20 gram because it is very light, you know, correct? Let us weigh the given measure of things using standard weights. Here we have to weigh 10 kg sugar and we are having only 5 kg weights, means standard weights. Then what we will do now? Yes, you are right. We will use 5 kg stone twice. Correct? 2 times we weigh 5 kg, then we will get 10 kg sugar. Isn't it? Okay. Next one. We have to measure 5 kg wheat. And we are having 2 kg stones and 1 kg stone. Then, yes, we will use 2 kg plus 2 kg plus 1 kg. Isn't it? That became 5 kgs. Right? Next, we want to weigh 500 grams of potatoes. And we are having 200 grams and 100 grams. That stones we are having. Okay, then what we will do? Yes, you are right. 200 gram plus 200 grams plus 100 grams. It became 500 grams, isn't it? Next is, we want to weigh 2 kg onions. Then here 1 kg weight stone is there. So what we will do? We will weigh 2 times. 1 kg plus 1 kg. Isn't it? That became 2 kg. Now we want to measure 1.5 kg of rava. Then what we will do? And we are having only 500 gram weighing stone. Yes, dear students. Yes, you are right. 3 times we will weigh. 500 grams plus 500 grams plus 500 grams. Correct. That became 1.5 kg. Now here we need 200 grams of chili. Then if we have 100 grams, then what we will do? Yes, 2 times 100 plus 100 became 200 grams. Isn't it? Very good. I hope you understand about the weight or the mass and you know about how to weigh the things, correct? How to observe the balance scale while shopkeeper weighs our things, correct? And you know different types of balance scales to measure the different things, isn't it? Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the new updated videos.